guys, it's what we've been to. We're going to be reacting to Rosie Pulls the Fire Alarm at School / Grounded by Reuploaded, who just posted this like 10 seconds ago.
This is a request. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Send requests in the comments. And thanks for 46,000 subscribers. Ha 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 ha. I lied to Miss Martin. Got a hall pass to use the bathroom, but now I'm going to play a little prank on everybody.
First, Rosie pulled the fire alarm at the grocery store. Now she's going to pull the fire alarm again, but this time at school.
I am going to pull the fire alarm and scare everybody. I've already placed my phone on a tripod so that I can save the footage when everyone runs out crying and screaming. Time to scare everyone and pull the freaking fire alarm.
Oh my god, class, it's the
Oh, yep, there's Miss Martin.
fire alarm. Everyone get out. No single file lines. Just everyone run as fast as you freaking can. Run, 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 run.
Hey, look, don't know his name. I think it's, I don't know. It's from Amazing World of Gumball. I forget his name. I think it was Darwin, I'm pretty sure. I'm not really too sure. And then there's, Lisa Simpson.
This is so funny. Now I'm going to go get my phone and see the footage of everyone.
And when someone pulls a fire alarm, people just don't scream, because schools don't allow that, I'm pretty sure.
Crying and panicking.
Wait a second. Hold on. Why is this phone here on this tripod? Hold on a second. There's a note attached. It says, please don't touch this phone. I put it here so that I can record everyone running out of the school in panic when I pull the fire alarm.
Well, if Rosie really wanted to get away with it so bad, then she shouldn't have really recorded it, or maybe made it a little bit more secretive.
From Rosie.
Oh crap. Maybe I shouldn't have left my name.
Oh my freaking god. Rosie, get your stinky butt over here right now. I have your phone, and I know what you did.
Oh my god, Boris and Doris are flaming mad, like, literally.
Rosie, how dare you freaking pull the freaking fire alarm at school today for a prank? That's it. Tomorrow is punishment day.
Go animate viewers, tell me in the comments what her punishments should freaking be. Make them good punishments because it will be her 5th punishment day.
Well, maybe keep the classic of making her take a hydrogen shower. That's like my favorite one for some reason. Okay, that's just for the thumbnail. And there's the Go Animate watermark. Okay, so that's the end of this reaction to Rosie Pulls the Fire Alarm at School / Grounded by Reuploaded. Really good video, 10 out of 10. So, see you later, guys. Bye.